I'm not looking at it. I'm sorry.
Just do it.
Are you ready?
Go ahead.
We're ready.
Go ahead. Bite the hot pepper.
Go, go, go.
How big
go,
of a bite?
Go, go.
Just
No, don't.
chew it. Grind it in your teeth.
Do it, do it.
I didn't succeed.
Don't go near her. She's on fire right now.
Thank you.
You swallowing it?
Your face is so red.
Don't swallow it. Spit it out.
I have to
Swallow
make
it?
this.
Drink.
Just chug water.
Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
Water, more.
Why would you do that?
I spit
know.
it out. I never swallowed it.
More, water, more, water, more.
It's burning through my nose.
Really?
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
More water.
Why on earth would you do that?
Take a
I
piece.
feel like fire's gonna
Take a
come out
piece
of
of
my
chicken.
Third time.
Rice, chicken.
Rice.
Oh, those are just noodles?
I'm like trying slowly, like.
Oh my god.
How do you do this?
She just did it.
Go like this.
Your face is beet
Chrissy,
red.
Go like this. Chrissy, go like this. Chrissy, go like this. Go like this.
Her eyes are crying.
Go like this. Go like Hold your nose. Hold your nose.
What'd you
Hold
say?
your nose.
You speaking in tongues? Where's your mom?
Where'd you put the pepper?
In her gut.
Oh, here it is.
Because
Pepper.
I breathe
Red
out,
pepper.
It's like, it burns. I feel like it's so
Just go like this, Chrissy. Chrissy, look. Just go like this.
It burns.
Just hold your nose.
I'm
Hold your nose.
trying.
Drink water. Drink water. Drink
Yeah,
water.
spread the oil
Chug it,
around your
chug
mouth.
it.
Drink
Chug
water.
Oh
it.
shoot.
What?
How big of a piece did you eat?
I took a big bite.
It was about that big.
It wasn't that big.
Yes, it was.
It was this.
I stuck it out.
I just licked my fingers after I picked up that pepper and my tongue is burning.
Christy's the man.
Third time.
Great, she's gonna be like,
After I bit into it and swallowed a seed too.
Yeah.
I'm just like biting
she's
it.
gonna be like throwing
Really
up.
the juice out.
You get to take care of me.
Woohoo! You're the winner of the game. Missy, that's a piece of
What's
sweet
my
and sour
prize?
chicken.
I know.
Your dinner is on the house.
Whoa.
Oh no, I got it.
Oh, that was awesome and well worth it.
I'm still burning. It gets really bad. I feel like it's.
Drink more water.
No.
What was that?
Yeah. Who needs more water?
I need more
No,
water.
there's two
Here.
cups right here. There's 2 cups right here.
Have
And
mine.
there's still water in there. Spit it out. Spit it out.
How bright is this light? Am I blinding everybody?
Pretty bright.
Ooh, that's brighter.
I'm tearing. Your voices stuck together.
Where's my flash? Is that it? Oh.
It's still burning?
On fire, man.
Can't wait till tomorrow.
On fire burner.
And you're screaming.
Kristen, that's you. Kristen, you're like on fire burner. I don't know how you stand up.